Jai Hind students, welcome in live class. Students, previous class we have discussed exercise 7C from 1 to 14. Clear? And now hope everyone noted on your fair notebook, and whatever problem has come, we have given you PDF files. Then everyone done? Clear? Today students, we will discuss after 14 question number 15. So students, now let's start. Clear? Question number 15, there is given, students, 16x square minus 24x plus 9. Note it down students, 16x square minus 24x plus 9. Students, what we have to do here? 16x square, we will identify that identities. What identities we will use? 16x square minus 24x plus 9. 16x square, we can see here, it is x square is already given. 16. 16 is the square of 4. So what we will write here? 4x then whole square. Square will be common. We can see here when square will go up, go inside. So square 4 square 16 and x square then x square. Clear students? Next one is minus, here the plus 9. 9 is the square of 3 because this is the a square, this one is b square. Now students, a square b square minus 2ab. 2 multiply a is 4x. So 4x we will write. Multiply b is 3. So what we will write? 3. We can check also. 2 4 ja 8. 8 3 ja 24. 24x. Again 16 is the square of 4x whole square. 9 is the square of 3 square minus 2 into 4x multiply 3. That means 2 4 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. 24x. So students, you know that what identities we will use here? By using identity a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is what should be? A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square equal a minus b whole square. Basis on this, we will write this format: 4x whole square minus 2 into 4x multiply 3 plus 3 whole square. So what we will get? A is the 4x minus b is the 3. 4x minus 3 whole square. Again students, we will see 16x square minus 24x plus 9. It is given. 16x square, that is 4x whole square, minus 2 into 4x multiply 3 plus 9. 9 is the square of 3. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what identity we will use? By using identity a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. A square, what we have taken? 4x whole square minus 2 multiply a value is the 4x and b square, that is 3 whole square. So here 3 as a b. So 3 we have written b. Now we have already corrected this one, and basis on this is the a minus b. Similar here, a is the 4x and b is the 3. So what we can write? 4x minus 3 whole square. Students, now note it down everyone. Question number 15. After that 16 we will discuss. Students, hope everyone done. Now question number 16. Question number 16 is given m square minus 4mn plus n square. Students, it is also same like m square minus 4mn plus n square. Hope everyone done. Students, now this is already square form is given. This one is 2ab. First of all, we will write the b square. So a square b square minus 2 into a. What will be a? The m square, and this one is 4n square. Students, this one is 4n square. Four n square, 4 is the square of 2, 2n whole square. So 2 into a is the m, and n should be what? 2n. Now again same identities by using identity a minus b, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. Basis on this, m square minus 2 into m into 2n plus 2n whole square. What we can write, students, here? Equal m is like m minus 2n whole square. Note it down, everyone, students. 16 we have completed. Now question number 17. Question 17, this is different from previous. Students, this is different from previous. A square then b square minus 6abc then plus 9c square. Clear? A square b square minus 6abc plus 9c square. Students, a square b square, when we will take square as a common, so ab whole square, it is just like a square. Similar, plus 9c square, that means 3 is the square of 9, so 3c whole square. Now students, we have got a and b value. A value is the ab and b value is the 3c. So minus 2 multiply a value is ab, so we will write here ab into b a square, that is a, we have written ab. Now what should be? A then b, b is the 3c. We can check, students, 2 3 is 6, abc then abc. Clear, students? Now save identities by using identity a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. So a square, this format, ab whole square minus 2 multiply a is ab multiply b is 3c plus b square, that is 3c whole square, equal a minus b whole square. A, what we have taken? ab. So ab we will write minus b, what we have taken? 3c, that is whole square. ab minus 3c whole square. Clear, students? Now note it down, everyone. Now students, 17 we have completed. Question number 18. Is the similar here, only the difference here, the power, the m power 4 is given. See everyone, question number 18, m power 4 is given plus 2m square n square and plus n power 4. So students, you know that when you want to square it, suppose x power 4 is given, so how we can make it as a square? X square to the power square, this way. X power 4 is given, so we can make x square to the power square. Similar, m power 4 is given, so we can make m square to the square, because 2 2s are 4, the same like 2 2s are 4. This is the same, but we have written like a square form. Clear? Then plus, similar we will write here also, n square to the square, plus 2 multiply a, this is the a value already what? M square, and b value is n square, here is given. Now you know that what identity we will use? A plus b whole square, a square by using identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square. So m square, that is whole square, plus 2 into m square multiply n square plus what should be here? N square then square equal, what we will get? What is the value of a? M square. What is the value of b? N square. So here we will write m square plus n square, that is whole square. Students, again I am telling students, m power 4, how we have written? M square, that is square, plus 2 multiply, first we will see the b square. B square, that is given n square, that is whole square, 2 multiply m square into n square. By using their plus term is given, so what identity should be used? A square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square. So a square m square, that is square, plus 2ab, 2 multiply m square and n square, plus n square whole square, that is b square. So a value is the m square and b value is the n square. So what we can write? M square plus n square, that is whole square. Clear, students? So now notate this question number 18. The last question, question number 19 we will discuss. Question 19 little bit different. Students, question number 19, that is given here, L plus m whole square minus 4lm minus 4lm, L plus m whole square minus 4lm. Students, so here is given little bit different, L plus m whole square minus 4lm. So here is not anything common here. So how we will do, students? L plus whole square, so we can use here identities a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square, that is a square L square, L plus m whole square, that is L square plus m square plus 2lm. You know a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Just as a like same, a plus b whole square, L plus m whole square, a square, that is L square plus b square, that is m square plus 2ab, that is 2lm. Clear? Place of this we will write this formula, this value, whatever expanded form we have got, L square plus m square plus 2lm, it is given this place bracket minus 4lm. Clear? Now open the bracket, L square plus m square plus 2lm minus 4lm. Students, here is L square, no one here, m square also, but lm and lm, the same variable, only here is 2, that is 4. What will be? It should what? Plus and minus. So it will be minus, because plus minus minus, so minus 4 minus subtract to 2, so what will come? 2, but sign will come minus. Why? Because minus sign is greater. So what answer? L square plus m square plus minus minus and 4 minus 2, that is 2lm. Okay, L square plus m square minus 2lm. Now students, you know this is like identities, a square plus b square minus 2ab. We can see here a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is a minus b whole square. A square, b square and minus 2ab. Same we will write here, L square plus m square minus 2lm. So what we will get? L minus m whole square. It will be your answer, students. So note it down. This is last question of this exercise. Now we have completed. Now next we just going to start the exercise 70. Clear, students? Just note it down even. Noted? Even? Exercise 70. D little bit different. How we will do this? Students, just want to tell you, in first exercise of this chapter, we have discussed its common part. Suppose 2x plus 4, what we can do? 2 should be outside because 2 can divide the 4. X plus 2. It will come. In exercise 7a you have done. There is no variable as like the same. 2 can divide, 2 1 are 2, 1x plus 2 2 are 4. Clear? This thing you have done in exercise 7a. Exercise 7b, 7c, what you have done? This is based on the identities. Identities you have done. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2a plus 2ab, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and third identities, a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. This thing you have completed. And if any expression is given, so first of all, regarding the exercise 7a, we have to see any common part is there or not. We can common and take outside. Second, basis on second, third exercise, if expression is given, we have to see if any identities we can use them or not. A plus b whole square minus b square and a square minus b square. Then the last exercise 7d, what we are going to tell, this is a factorize. So how we will do? So all the 7a, 7b, 7c, if expression is given not followed, then we will follow this 7d. What we have to tell here. Clear, students? So now let's start the exercise 7d. 7d, you can see your book, the page number is given 101. Factorization of quadratic trinomials. Like this is like a form of x square plus px plus q, and basis on here, let we have taken p as a plus b and q a multiply b, that is ab. So, we put this value x square plus p value is a plus b, that is x plus q a b. What expression we will get? We will, this is the middle term, first term, middle term and the last term. This is a constant value. These both are the variables terms. Clear? Better than you just see the one example here. The example 1 is given x square plus 8x plus 15. Students, how we can correlate this expression x square plus a plus b x plus ab. X square plus 8x plus 15 is given. Students, what we have told, this is first term, this is a constant term, this is middle term. So, what we have to do, middle term should be splitted, middle term should be splitted, but how we will split them? Because there is the form, we want to find the factorize it. So, in the case of the factorize, what we have told you, the first one we will check the common value. So, there is no any x square plus 8x plus 15. So, we can see here x variable is only both 2 term and numbers is 8, 15. So, no one is common here. Identity is a square, but this is not a b square. Okay. So, identities we cannot use. So, that last term is the middle term splitting. How we can do this? Students, 8. We want to split the in 2 integers. How we can split? This is basis on the 15, means when you will add, to what value should come? 8, means a plus b. Regarding the a plus b, we should get the 8, and when we multiply them, so what should get? 15. It means why we have written the a plus b as a place of p? Because p value distribute into the break into 2 integers. A and b is here variables. So, 8 will break into 2 parts, 2 integers. Suppose we have written here, first of all you find that 15 should come in which table? I think 3 5 or 5 3 ja. So, we have taken 18, 3 and 5. 2 number we have, means if 3 we will add 5, so what you will get? 8. So, it is the form of a plus b. Students, x square plus a plus x square plus px plus q is given. This is the basic form. When we want to use the splitting method, middle terms splitting method, to what should? P we will take as a plus b, q we will take as a b. P as a plus b, it means P will split into 2 terms, that is a plus b, and q what should be? Whatever 2 terms we will get, it should be multiplication, multiply them, then we can get the q value. As the same, this expression is given x square plus 8x plus 15. This is the form of the px. This is the form of the px. This is form of the q. So, p it should be distributed into 2 parts, a and b, and q, this is the, it should be plus and this should be multiplied, a plus b and a multiply b. So, what we have got? 8 we have split it 2 parts, 3 and 5. So, 3 plus 5, what we will get? 8. Now, we are getting 8, and 3 into 5, what we will get? 15. So, here we are getting the 15. So, where we will change the value? Only place of this a plus b. How we will write? Students, we will write this way: x square plus 8, 3 and 5 then we will write 5 plus 3, that is x plus 15. No need to write the 3 into 5 because only middle term will split, other term will be as the same like. Clear students? Again I am explaining students, x square px plus q, it is a general term, quadratic polynomials, quadratic form, and here we have taken p as a plus b because middle term we will decide that split them. Q, it is a form same split variables, it should be multiplied. Okay. So, x square, now what will be when we will write the px term, so a plus b x we will write plus q term we will write as a ab. Basis on this one we have taken the one expression x square plus 8x plus 15, x square as the same plus 8x, 8x is here, it should be break into two term a plus b. So, 8x should be 3 and 5. So, 5 plus 3 we will write here x, and we will show here break in what we have split them, then it should show here because we have shown here a plus b. So, a is 5 and b is 3, then x plus 15, 3 into 15 will be same, it is not saying that split the value, write the split value. Clear? Now, we will open the bracket, x square plus 5x plus 3x, x will multiply in both 5x and 3x plus 15. What should come? Now, we will make a group x square plus 5x, it is one group, plus 3x plus 15, this is another group. Now, what should common here? X is both side, so x will be common, x plus 5 will come, plus 3 will common here, x plus 5 will come. So, what will be answer students? X plus 5 will be common, so x plus 5 we will write here. Now, x plus 3 will be left, so x plus 3. Students, again we will tell you, hope everyone few things you have understood. Again I am telling very fairly is this one. See everyone, what the expression we have taken, x square plus 8x plus 15, x square plus 8x plus 15. What we will split? 8. The what number we have taken? 3 and 5. So, x square plus 5 plus 3 x plus 15 as it same, because split part only the middle term. Now, open the bracket, x square plus 5 into x 5x plus 3 into x 3x plus 15. Now, we will make a group x square plus 5x, this is in one group, plus 3x plus 15, this is another group. Clear students? X we have taken common from this, x plus 5 will come, plus 3 can divide 15, so 3 we will take, x plus 5, it is like a same exercise 7a, and x plus 5 as a common, so x plus 5 we will take common, and what will left? X plus 3, so x plus 3. It will be your answer students. Now, we will see also another example, maybe you understood, but one more example I am just telling you, students. In your book there is given, next example is x square plus 15x, x square plus 15x plus 56. This is also the same expression. We can take anything common here. We can see here, no any common value here. Identities we can use? No. Then x square is given 56, not a square of any other value. No common, and also 56 not identities. So, we cannot use the identities here. So, factorize we will do, means middle term splitting. Middle term is splitting. 15 will divide, will break into two part. That plus we will add them, then it should come 15, and after multiply then should come 56. So 15 how we will split? Students, just think that 56 in which table we are getting? First of all, see 15, no? 15. So see 56 in which table? 56, 8 into 7, that is 8 7 ja 56, and 8 plus 7, 15. Also you can find its 56, you can find also its factorization. 2 8 ja, this is also method. See here, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4, 4 2 ja 8, and this one is 7. 8 plus 7, then what will come? 15, and when we will do its multiply, then what will come? 56. So both value we are getting 56 as well as 15 in plus sign. Okay. So 15 will distribute into two part, 8 and 7. 8 and 7. So what we will write here? How we can write? X square plus 8 plus 7 x plus 56. 15 is break into 8 plus, split into 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7, 15, 8 into 7, 56. Clear? Now, this bracket will be open, 8 into x, 8x, plus 7 to x, 7x, plus 56. Now, we will make a group, x square plus 8x, it is in one group, plus 7x plus 56, this is second group. Now, we will take common x plus 8, plus now 7, x plus 7 8 is 56. So both term will same. So x plus 8 we have taken common. Now what left? X plus 7. It will be your answer. Students, hope you will try at your home. Now I am giving today homework. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at like a same. Okay. So students, hope everyone understood this one. Whatever we have told you. Question number 1 to 5, you have to do clear basis on the same whatever we have told just now. Clear students? So students, today we will discuss the exercise 7C. We have ended 7C, and 7D we have some few terms related to the factorize we have told you, and you have to practice at your home, because this is very important content, important exercise. Okay. So 1 to 5 you have to do practice. Next we will, if you have problem, then again we will discuss. Clear? Next class we will, after question number 5, question number 6 we will start. Now students, I am leaving class. Jai Hind students.